Namaste everyone, this is Sai Sri and welcome back to my channel. In this video, let us see how to simulate Colpits oscillator, and we will also see the output in the oscilloscope. Firstly, we will place all the components required on the breadboard and then we will see the output on the oscilloscope. Soon I am going to upload the document in which you can have aim, apparatus, the circuit diagram for the Multisim software, and also the output in the Colpits and the values, the theoretical values and the frequency, all those things. I will pin the PDF in the comment box and also in the description I will provide the link. Place all the components firstly, follow the video, don't skip any part. If you miss any part of the video while connecting the wires mainly, the output will be different. So make sure that your connection should be correct while connecting. So follow the video, don't skip any part of the video. So this inductor and these two capacitors acts as tuned circuit which will produce 180 degrees phase shift, and this circuit will produce 180 degrees phase shift on the left side. So both will combine and produce 360 degrees phase shift, nothing but zero phase shift in the output. So as we all know that the oscillator is nothing but which will produce a sine wave without giving any external input. So here we are not going to give any external input. So the 12 volts is nothing but the DC voltage. You can apply this DC power source or you can also apply VCC also. So same output you are going to get. We will also see that one also at the end. So while connecting, please follow the video. If you make a small mistake while connecting at the nodes or all those four points where we have to combine, so if you miss any part, single part also, the output is going to be different or you can't get the output. So while connecting, please do follow the video. Let's see the output in two cases. One is connected with the DC power source 12 volts and we will also connect the VCC voltage also. Same values we will get, same circuit or the same output in the oscilloscope. So here we got the sine wave, right? So by changing the, instead of DC voltage, we have changed it to VCC 12 volts. We will get the same output here also. So if you run and see in the oscilloscope, so better to follow this circuit because it will be simple. That means just we have connected VCC. So instead of connecting the DC power, so same output we got. If the video is informative to you, please do comment #Multisim, #Colpits oscillator, and thanks for watching.